What's going on YouTube, Instagram? It's your boy Burt Collins. I'm back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Today we got something a little bit different. Normally I'm doing sneaker reviews, food reviews. What else do we do? Funko Pop unboxings. But today we got something a little different. We got some local art. From my guy, man, Christopher B. Coleman. I've known this guy forever. I mean, forever. Probably since birth. Um, but he's been doing his thing in the local art scene. He got paintings posted everywhere. I think he has something at the Jerk Shack. He got all around Seattle, local businesses. You could find his art. I wasn't fortunate enough to get my hands on an original painting, but I was fortunate enough to get my hands on it's like a screen printed canvas of his painting. So I'm just as happy. I just wanted to get some of his artwork. Um, this came in a couple days ago. Wow. Wow, I'm gonna let you guys see in a second, but wow. So the name of this. Oh, matter of fact, if I didn't say go hit the like button, subscribe button, and all that, make sure you go follow him on Instagram. Artistic Love Life is his Instagram name, or Christopher B. Coleman. Make sure you go follow him. The name of this canvas is the Champ Knockout #3. The GOAT. I think that's George Foreman, right? The GOAT right there, though. Muhammad Ali, George Foreman, the greatest of all time. Chris, I appreciate you, man. This is dope, man. I cannot wait to hang this up on the wall. Like I said, man, I'm getting into local art, man. There's still a couple of local artists I want to mess with. Deeks253 on Instagram. I think his name's Adika. I gotta get something from him. Lords and Fleur. Lords, I've known him from high school. I want to get something from him too, man. These guys do terrific work. But this right here is from Artistic Love Life, Chris B. Coleman. This is dope, man. Check it out. I ain't got too much to say, man, but I just wanted to unbox this real quick. Shout out to the first 100, man. Shout out to the first 100 on Instagram, man. I appreciate you guys, man. Or on YouTube, I appreciate you guys. The first 100 subscribers, man. We've made it past 100. Get me to 1,000 though. I need to get to 1,000. We're on a road to 1,000 subscribers. I need you guys' help though. Yeah, I can't do it without you guys. I really can't. So make sure you guys are hitting the like button. Make sure you're hitting the subscribe button, the notification bell, and like I said, if you're on Instagram, I'd appreciate it if you hit the follow. I'm going to keep dropping content. I appreciate you. It's your boy, Burt Collins. I'm out.